Hi, this is Mike with Mackin & Sons Plumbing. Today we just got done installing a new water heater, and one of the features we put on the water heater was a automatic shutoff valve. So this is a Floodmaster shutoff valve, and essentially how it works is there's a sensor down here at the bottom, and if this sensor gets wet because the heater is leaking, it sends a signal to this valve to actually shut off. So we'll go ahead and test it real quick. I just got this sensor wet, and now it's shutting off the valve. And then it also gives you an audible alarm, and once the situation has been corrected, you just hit reset and it opens the valve again. So just got done. It's a good protection for your basement if you have a nice basement and you're worried about the water heater leaking. So thanks.